Today, one bag of rice is going head to head. Comfort skillet versus fresh skillet. Now, which one becomes your pick? Let's find out. Let's start with the one that looks like the easy winner. Start by browning a pound of lean ground beef, then half a diced onions, small bell pepper diced, 3 chopped garlic or minced, half a cup of corn, canned or frozen, 2 tablespoons of low sodium taco seasoning, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a cup of black beans canned, 1 cup of salsa, 1 cup of low sodium beef broth, half a tablespoon of tomato paste, and 2 cups of par-cooked rice from the bag, and some shredded cheddar cheese or mixed cheese on top. Lower the heat and simmer for a couple of minutes. And finish off with fresh chopped cilantro or chopped green onions. Your choice. For the second skillet, we're heading in a completely different direction. Start by browning a pound of chicken thighs in small chunks. Then add my Mediterranean seasoning blend. I have the recipe in the description below. Half a red onion julienne. A small zucchini chopped. 3 chopped or minced garlic, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes halved, add 2 cups of par-cooked rice from the bag, 3/4 cup of low sodium chicken broth, juice of 1 lemon, and then lower the heat and simmer for a few minutes. And then we're going to finish off with some crumbled feta cheese and fresh chopped parsley. And we're good to go. Okay, now we have got 2 completely different dinners from the same bag of rice. The Taco Rice Skillet wins on comfort, but the Mediterranean Rice Skillet wins on freshness. And here's another thing. They can both be on the table in under 30 minutes using simple pantry and refrigerator ingredients. I think that's a win all by itself. So which one really wins? For me, they're both winners, just for different weeknight dinners. The Mediterranean Rice Skillet is fresh, bright, and satisfying, while the Taco Rice Skillet delivers bold flavor and pure comfort food appeal. As always, adjust the seasoning to your taste and make these recipes your own. Fresh jalapenos are a great addition to the taco rice, while spinach, artichoke, or roasted red peppers work beautifully in the Mediterranean skillet. Okay, now it's your turn. Which one gets your vote? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe showdown, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Mediterranean inspired meals, and check out one of the other videos on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.